Let's learn about Docker image tagging and how to name and version your Docker images properly. This is important for managing and deploying your applications effectively. Docker tags are labels used to identify and version Docker images within a repository. Think of them as names that you give to different versions of your application, helping you keep track of changes and manage releases. The basic syntax for a Docker tag is repository:tag. The repository is the name of the image, and the tag is a specific version or label. For example, my app version 1.0. This indicates version 1.0 of the my app image. Here are some common tagging examples. My app. Latest refers to the most recent version. My app. Version 1.0 specifies a particular release. My app. Production could mark an image for the production environment, and my app. Dev for the development environment. Semantic versioning, or SemVer, is a widely used versioning scheme. It follows the format major.minor.patch. The major version indicates significant changes, the minor version indicates new features, and the patch version indicates bug fixes. Here are some examples of tagging commands. The first command, docker build tmyapp v1.0, builds a Docker image and tags it as myapp version 1.0. The second command, docker tag myapp latest myapp v1.0, tags an existing image with a new tag, in this case, copying the latest tag to the version 1.0 tag. Let's discuss some best practices for Docker image tagging. First, use semantic versioning for releases. Second, avoid relying on the latest tag in production environments. Be specific with your versions. To summarize, proper tagging strategy ensures better image management and deployment reliability. Using consistent and meaningful tags will make your Docker workflow much smoother. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.